This is the Silva Mirror Detox Facial. This is a 30-minute facial, including massage and optional CBD oil. Today, we will be speeding up some of the movements for timing purposes. We're starting with cleansing, removing makeup and oil. Our options for cleansing are Sanitas Milk and Honey Cleanser, Aya's Clinical Cleansing Complex, Revision Papaya Enzyme Facial Wash. Remove first cleanse with towel, optional second cleanse based on makeup and oil. Next, we will analyze the skin. This is a great time to talk about the treatment plan for your guest.
All right, Travis, I can see a beautiful texture. You're really keeping up with your routine. So for today, I do see a little bit of inflammation, so we'll use our new anti-inflammatory stress line from Dr. Dennis Gross, and we'll do a really nice sculpting massage.
Next, it's time to exfoliate. We will do a custom single exfoliation. Options are Sanitas Gentle Refining Mask, Sanitas Pumpkin Enzyme Mask, Revision Papaya Mask. Options to use steam during this step. Remove exfoliant with warm towel. Now it's time to start the massage. Today we have two options as our massage medium. We have Aya's Clinical's Massage Silk. This is an unscented gel. We also have a CBD oil, Aya Soothe Unscented Oil. Today we're going to use Aya's Clinical's Massage Silk. Apply oil to the face. Perform 3 facial stretches to open up channels. Next, move down to shoulder press. Push down on the right shoulder, left shoulder, and both together. Now let's start the warm-up. Start with slow effleurage from chin up cheek for 10 passes. Move to the next side of the face. Finish at the temple. Circle both hands to nostrils. Crisscross index finger up the bridge of the nose. End at the middle of brows. Crisscross over brows, forehead for 10 passes. Finish at the temple. Bring hands down to the chin. Keep fingers closed and begin rapid effleurage starting at the right cheek for 20 passes. Repeat on left cheek for 20 passes. Start on right side of jawline. Pinch jawline between 4 fingers and thumb, left hand following right for 10 passes. Slide to the left side, sculpt left side of jawline, right hand following left hand for another 10 passes. Knead jawline with knuckles, working towards masseter muscle. Circle thumb around masseter muscle for 10 passes. Next, knead again with knuckles, working up to cheekbone. Sculpt cheek with knuckles, starting at nostrils, working out, glide lightly back to the nostril each time. This should be for 10 passes. Move to the right cheek. Begin cheek rolls from jawline to corner of mouth. Start at nostrils, cup with side of palm, and sculpt right cheek towards left. Left hand following right for 10 passes. Slide to the left cheek and begin cheek rolls. Again, from jawline to corner of mouth. Cup with side of palm and sculpt left cheek, right hand following left for 10 passes. Finish at temples. Circle to center of brows. Place index finger under brow and slide thumb towards index finger, pinching the brow. Begin at center of brows, arch of brows, and then tail of brow. Repeat this for 3 sets. Finish at temples and circle back to center of brows. Now it's time to start the Marma massage. We're going to use Marma points for 5 seconds throughout this process. Start with point number 1, between eyebrows. Point number 2, third eye, or slightly above the center of brow. Point number 3, above arch of brow. Point number 4, outer corner of eyes. Point number 5, center of lower orbital bone. Point number 6, dorsal, middle base, side of nose. Point number 7, side of nostrils. Next, we're going to move to the top of the Cupid's bow. Now we'll move to the outer corner of the mouth, the center of the chin with the thumb. Slide to the chin and pinch. And now move towards the ears. Pinch and pull back, top of ears. Pinch and pull down, lobe of ears. And underneath the chin. Now it's time to sculpt and drain with our gua sha. Reapply oil. This will ensure a better glide. Wipe hands on towel for comfortable grip of gua sha. Now let's sculpt. Using gua sha, sculpt right side of jaw from cheek to earlobe. Follow each stroke with hand for 10 passes. Starting at the chin, lift up to the cheekbone, moving outwards from corner of the mouth to earlobe. Using gua sha, sculpt right cheekbone, moving from dorsal base of nose to ear. Transition to left cheek. Using gua sha, sculpt right side of jawline from chin to earlobe. Follow each stroke with the hand on the left side. All movements should be 10 passes. Starting at chin, lift up to cheekbone, moving outwards from corner of mouth to earlobe. Using gua sha, sculpt right cheekbone, moving from dorsal base of nose to ear. Place point of gua sha at the inner corner of the eye and apply pressure. Slide along orbital bone and pull outwards towards temple. This should be done for 5 passes. Transition back to the right side. Repeat by placing point of gua sha at the inner corner of the eye and apply pressure. Slide along orbital bone and pull outwards towards temple. Transition to the center of the nose. Slide gua sha up bridge of nose and follow with opposite hand. Glide up forehead, working towards hairline, outwards, following the brow line for 10 passes. Now it's time to start drainage. With light pressure, drain to right temple from center of forehead for 10 passes. When sculpting, it is important to use pressure to lift and stimulate muscle. When ending with drainage, light pressure will help lymphatic move. Drain from side of nostril to right earlobe. Drain from corners of the mouth to earlobe. Finally, drain from temple to clavicle bone. Repeat on left side. With light pressure, drain temple from center of forehead drain from side of nostril to earlobe. Drain from corners of the mouth to earlobe. Drain from temple to clavicle bone. Remove gua sha, and now it's time to end the massage. By placing your hands at the chin and beginning a figure 8 around the face simultaneously. Circle from chin to nose, circle back along orbital around eyes to center of forehead, run fingers down nose around mouth to chin, and repeat. Do this for 5 passes. After 5th pass, transition from chin to press down on both shoulders. Remove oil with warm towel. Our next step is oxygen. Perform O2 therapy, pat into the skin. For final hydration, we are going to use Dr. Dennis Gross Stress Repair line. We are going to start with the Stress Serum. These are B3 superfood serums. Next, we're going to move on to the eye cream. We're going to use Dr. Dennis Gross Stress SOS Eye Cream. Next, we're going to move on to the face cream. We're going to use the Stress Repair Face Cream. This face cream does have an active ingredient of salicylic acid, so please be aware there may be some tingling. Communicate with your guest. Finally, pat sunscreen onto the skin for protection. Your guest's face should be relaxed and stress-free.